Once you have MAMP installed on your system, you should see an application like the one on my screen. There is few preferences that you can change, such as the PHP version, where your web server root is. Mine's currently in the default applications MAMP htdocs. You can change this if you want. Another important thing is to remember what port you're running Apache on, so that you can access it through your web browser. Before you start development and testing your applications, you're going to want to make sure that you start your servers. I actually have a couple different editors that I use. My preference is Dreamweaver, but occasionally I'll actually use Coda as well, which is pretty nice. It's got all the color codings, you can change the theme, and it's got the easy navigation in the left hand column. Now for this next part, I'm going to show you a simple Hello World application in PHP. I'm going to open up a new PHP file in Dreamweaver, and we don't need all this HTML. The first thing to remember in PHP, you need your opening and closing brackets for your PHP code. All code should go inside these brackets. So normal Hello World, you start off with a print command or echo in PHP, and a Hello World. This will print out a text string Hello World in your browser. Make this a little bit more dynamic, I'm going to grab the server time using the date command, and we have lowercase h for hours, the 12-hour format, and then I, which is for the minutes, and then S for second, and we can use A for AM PM. That will store the date into a time field, and we'll append this to the Hello World time. And we'll save this as time.php in our htdocs directory under MAMP. And we'll go ahead and run this to see how this works. We're going to be using localhost for your domain, and whatever port you set for your web server, default is 8888. And then I stored this in the root, so it would be time.php. And you see Hello World, it's 6:08 and 7 seconds PM server time. So today we went over an overview of server setup on the Mac, and a brief overview of code editors and using PHP in a simple Hello World. And thank you for tuning in.